end. Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet world. You often ask me where I buy my rope, my yarn, laser bottom, wooden bottom, hooks, hook with needle eye. I buy it everywhere, from different manufacturers, from Poland, from Belarus, Czech Republic, USA, from Turkey, China, everywhere. And if you like this unboxing format video, please let me know in comments. And today I show you my first unboxing on YouTube with yarn. I don't know how I show you, but I definitely try to show you. I received my box with yarn, with rope, and let's unpack. Let's show. I don't know. I think it's a new yarn. Oh, the black cotton yarn for my tote bag. When it will be done, I share this bag with you if it will be a good result. Because I want something stylish and minimalistic. Let's see. Oh, it's a ribbon yarn. I want to try this yarn for my bathroom organizer. I share this pattern with you if you want. It's 80% high quality recycled cotton and 20% other recycled fibers. Okay, I want to try for my bathroom organizer. Next, what I see, oh, I want this color, raw color. Do you know what is will be? It's the short yarn, of course, and it's for my new nursery basket. I will crochet it today or tomorrow, I don't know. Oh, what I see! Cutie things, and oh, so beautiful colors. I think I will add this color in my nursery basket because it's very beautiful together. Very beautiful color. I think be good in seer basket together too. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Wow. And the last package. I know what, no waste. And let's open the last. Oh, I know. It's for my blanket. Oh, so softy. Soft and soft. So softy, soft and cotton. Lisbon tan. It's for my blanket. Interesting color. Very beautiful color. And I think that's all. Thank you for watching my first unboxing video. Let me know, is it interesting for you or no? Thank you for watching. Let's create, let's crochet together. Bye!